Let's look at preferences in Libby. First one is format. We'll leave it on any for now. Language, there's all sorts of choices, but there's not many foreign languages in here, so let's leave it on any. Audience, you can choose from 4. Today we'll do juvenile. Compatibility is for the type of reader you're using. Today it's Libby. Then let's look at everything that's available, not just things that are available now. And we'll leave the default sort on for today. When you're done, make sure that you click Apply Preferences. Now we're just searching for things with a juvenile audience, audio or books. Then you can go down and choose. Right now, let's just say what's available in books. There's quite a lot, almost 2,000 right now. That might be a little bit intimidating for a young reader. So we could go ahead and go through that, and let's choose a more specific subject. Let's choose biography. This is often something that kids need for school, is to read a biography. Nicely, there are a lot of contemporary books in this series. All right. If you have any questions about preferences in Libby, please give us a